second we try is pistachio.
This is chocolate from Dubai.
The viral
The viral chocolate.
But we're late.
village in Dubai.
Late is
Let's see
better
how-
than never.
Ayun na. Let's see kung ano gano'n talaga ito kasarap.
Yeah.
Let's rate kung gaano to kasarap.
Wow.
Kasarap.
Ato binla si
Dubai style chocolate.
Ikot na.
Eh?
Ay, ano yun?
I think it's big.
I think it's small.
I thought it's big. The same of the packaging, but it's not.
How can I get this out?
Hindi tagaan ko nila.
I-ana-ana.
Wow.
Imo ha.
This is fake. It have
Tanawa,
pagsigana.
pistachio. Wow! Legit!
Iari ang usa for mama.
Pistachio nga.
Yummy. 9 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
But anyway, for the warheads, it's 3 out of 10 because it's not sour.
The chocolate is melting in my mouth. It's so
Yummy.
yun. Dili nakakasawa yung tamis. Na?
Dilitan is kayo.
Yeah.
Dito tanawa na. Kapat.
Mm.
Bala imong i-rate sa warheads.
Yung tagpila ni?
79.
Yummy. Mm.
Maybe I'll get diabetes. Kung sa imong i-rate sa warheads.
Na mga
7.
crinkles.
Yummy.
Crunchy siya because of the crinkles and it's not sweet.
Gonna buy this again
And then
because it's
the
Yummy.
the chocolate just melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
And then yeah, it's good.
Wapod ka sa camera.
Here's one. But baliktad. Okay na, that's all.
Bye-bye!
Thank you for watching.
Dinin mo iharap?
Nga,
Shubi-shubi do.